Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 16th of June 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the S&P 500 for the coming expiry on the 21st. Now the max OI level has increased for both the CE and PE, so that's a positive. Quantity is higher for CE, which is negative. The change is higher for CE, which is negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, which is positive. And the PCR is at 2.2, which is now a positive actually. So let me change that. And then the implied volatility and historical volatility have both gone down, so that's two positives. The RSI has gone up, so that's positive. No divergence, that's also positive. ADX is lower. Let me zoom in here so it's clean. Sorry. ADX is higher, so that's positive. ATR is higher, so that's negative. Both EMAs are higher. The VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point is higher. Why is this negative? But it's supposed to be positive. And candlestick is bullish for the week. The current support is 54.50. Previous weeks was 5,300, and the resistance is at this is a weird one. So the support is actually supposed to be 5,400 and 54.50, where previous week's resistance was 53.50. And overall, the option chain predicts that the S&P 500 should go up. So thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.